Welcome to DelphStack. I'm going to show you how to fix OBS using too much CPU and causing lag. Go to OBS Studio and open your settings. Make sure your settings are suitable for your desktop. Switch from advanced to simple mode, then adjust some video settings. Reduce the power settings to improve performance and keep the quality level stable. You can also adjust the video quality and pixels in the video section. In the video section, select a lower base resolution like 1280 by 720p. This can still give you good quality on a lower end desktop. Also, change the frame rate to 30 FPS, then click Apply. Lower your process priority in OBS settings to above normal instead of high. Disable unnecessary sources, then restart OBS Studio, and your CPU usage should drop. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.